truly have a lot, and I'm thrilled to take you on a journey through nature's wonders. Today, we're diving into the world of flowers where each petal tells a story of beauty and wonder. Let me take you to a magical realm where flowers bloom and dreams take flight. Get ready to be enchanted by my poem, Nature's Palette. In fields of green where sunlight plays, colorful blooms in a magical maze, petals soft as a gentle breeze, dancing gracefully with ease. Daisies smile with faces bright, sunflower reach for the light. Tulips stand tall in a rainbow row, whispering secrets that only they know. So, next time you walk by a flower so fair, pause for a moment, stop and stare. For nature's beauty, in petals so fine, is a gift to cherish, a treasure divine. Let's care for these wonders, big and small. Protecting nature, we stand tall. For in their beauty, we find our part to nurture the earth with love in our heart. Thank you.